Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This feels so weird. It's been about a solid 5 months since I have vlogged. And I feel like I always knew I was gonna start back up, but like I kind of just wanted to enjoy the summer. Obviously, if you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, you know a lot of life changes I've had since I talked to you guys last. I was unemployed, I was single, I was fucking depressed and miserable. And now I am the complete opposite of all of those things. So a lot has obviously changed. If you guys are here for the apartment tour, you can skip. I'm just gonna blab my mouth for a few minutes on some life updates, where we're at, what we're doing. My camera is broken as shit. That's the other reason why I just kind of like, I brought it out one night and I vlogged, but I broke the camera. So right now it's like taped. I threw out my tripod. I don't even know that. I'm like balancing this on some sort of contraption right now. Never uploaded that one vlog and a lot has happened. The last weekend I vlogged was a weekend of my life. It was a little too crazy for the internet, and I met my current boyfriend that night. It's hot as fucking near. Hold on. So since I moved in here in January, I never did an apartment tour. I think because I just like wanted to make changes and I never made changes. So announcement, I'm leaving Philadelphia. If you know me, you know I've been wanting to leave Philly for a while now, and I am finally heading out. Listen, it's like very bittersweet. You know, I'm obviously gonna miss my friends, but I'm only gonna be about 50 minutes away. I know if I want to, I can, you know, crash on my friends' couches and whatnot, and I'm assuming. So if you guys are watching this, I hope you assume as well. Little backstory, I won't give too much information because I feel like I just want to keep things that are special to me a little bit more private now. I am moving with my boyfriend to the suburbs. He is a very suburb guy, hates Philly. I obviously, you know, I've been here 3.5 years. My time is, it's time to go. You know, I've done everything I could here. I'm not moving far away. If I want to come visit, I'm obviously a train ride, a car ride, like I'm a quick ride away. But as far as living in the city, you know, I've had enough. I've lived across the street from a fucking construction site now since, how long have I lived here? 8-9 months. And I'm at my wit's end with it. I'm at my wit's end with not being able to leave my house because I'm not gonna be finding parking. So it's like I don't want to even use my car. Navi, come here. Where's my boy? He's gonna bring Lammy and watch. No Lammy? Hey! This little boy right here deserves himself a yard. So last night we finally found a nice place. It took us a while. So we met in April and then started dating in May. Everything happened like really fast. We were very like attached at the hip, pretty instantaneously, and it's great. He kind of moved in here like end of June, just kind of like, guess I'll live here. He was looking to find a place, but he was like, let's just wait until we can do it together. And like obviously get something great for Mav. So like his main priority was getting him a yard, obviously mine too. But so we've been crammed into this apartment now for about 3 months and I've had it. Like, I'm also sorry for my soft tan hands. They're disgusting. I'm looking at his pile of shit. I cannot fit any more stuff in this freaking apartment. And I am just so ready to have a house. So we got like a 3-bed, 3-bath, nice yard. I'm gonna have a glam room. I'm like so excited, and I'm just like I'm ready. Like I'm really truly ready. You know, like I said, I've done as much as I can here in Philly, and I'm obviously 25, growing up in a very healthy, safe relationship. I've never been in a healthy relationship, and obviously a lot of that is on myself as well, and like personal growth. So I'm truly thankful for this period in my life. I feel like I've just been manifesting it, and like everything I could have ever wanted is like right here in the palm of my hands. And I'm just really happy, and like I said, like it's just nice to be in a healthy, safe, just like super loving relationship, and supportive. Like he was the one that's been at my fucking ass to start YouTube again. So I wanted to vlog the whole process. So we are moving in like 2.5 weeks. It is Today is September 6th. We looked at a few houses within the last month and nothing was really just like hitting until we saw this one last night. Like we both looked at each other and we're like, yeah, this is it. Obviously it's not like our forever home. Like I don't love the oak cabinets in the kitchen, I'll just say that. And the living room's a little small, but other than that, there's so much space. Like the second floor is huge. So I'm really excited. I just am like, I know I deserve this. It's been a long time coming, so it's a great feeling. So yeah, we're really excited to vlog the process and just have a fresh chapter. The Philly chapter is closed, obviously. It's bittersweet, but I'm not far. Okay, let's get on into the tour. Okay, so when you walk in, here is a little overview. I really just never decorated to its like capacity. Like I really never did any artwork over here or anything, but like I said, I've really only been here 8-9 months. Sorry if my camera's shaking. I had a few too many cups of coffee. Okay, so let's start with the kitchen. I do love the island. It's like a nice marble with the waterfall. The floors, I'm not the biggest fan of the gray laminate just because I'm more of like a beige gal, so I didn't love that. This rug is like old as shit from Target, but like I said, like I didn't really care. When I moved out, I was just in a huge rush and I had to move in a day. So things just like never really got done. Okay, over here, I just have this little hook from Urban Outfitters. If you guys saw my last apartment tour like 3 years ago, that was in that apartment. And then over here, we just have our stove. Another thing I cannot wait for is like, especially since I'm with someone who is a big fan of my cooking, I have like no space in this kitchen for storage and stuff. Like, let me just show you guys my cabinets. Like, it's brutal. So we have that, cutting boards, Botox, toaster. This little thing is from Urban, I love it. These have actually been in here since Christmas and I don't even remember that they're in there. My stove really needs to be cleaned. I have these knives. I also really love that this place does have gas because the other 2 apartments I lived in Philly had electric, and if you're like a big cook like I am, it's so much harder to cook like that. On my fridge, we have all of our breads and shit up there. Really not a lot going on in here. Oh guys, you guys, I made the best fucking vodka sauce ever. If you, I'll film that. Brandon told me to film that. He's like, you need to like put that on TikTok or something, because I make the best vodka sauce. This is my favorite part of my apartment, honestly. I love my oat milk sign. I got it for $25 on the clearance rack at Urban Outfitters, and everyone always compliments me. I have a lot of like pre and post games at my apartment when we all go out, and like this is just like a little vibe along with like my little lights here. Also, I do like these lights. Should I turn them on? Yeah, I probably should have done that in the first place. I don't hate these pendants. I actually do like them. I think they're kind of classy. Over here, I have this old ass mirror. You're gonna see a lot of repeats from the old apartment, obviously. I like nice white clean aesthetic. We have some hydrangeas from Trader Joe's. My Drake book, because you guys know how much I love him. Mavi's Treats, some other couple books for decoration. I don't even like want to open these because they are so disgustingly unorganized. Dishwasher. Then I have this little closet, which, like I'm saying, this apartment is just too small for one person, never mind 2. So everything is stuffed in here. I have like a suitcase, some workout stuff. This is like half a pantry, has half storage closet. Like all of my coats are just like smushed up in there. I have electronics, my vacuum. This is the best vacuum if you have a dog. It's a Shark Rocket Deluxe Pet Pro, I believe. So that's that. And this is like the only, like I don't have a separate coat closet to hang anything, which sucks. We got Mav's crate over here. Mav loves his crate. He sleeps in it every night on his own, and we cannot sleep in the queen bed anymore with a dog and me and a 6'5" man. So Mavi sleeps in there, and we're getting a king bed, and I can't fucking wait. We have Mavi's toy basket that I packed 3 times before I filmed this because they were spread out everywhere. Every time I put them away, he takes them right back out. My TV unit stand, whatever, is from Target. It was $60. I do not recommend because look at this. There he is. You guys can tell. Oh, hi. Thank you. Wanna come sit? Okay, let me wipe that. And also, you can't do black furniture with a golden retriever because, I'm not kidding, I think we dusted this like last week. So I have a little mishmash of decor that I hate. I'm probably gonna throw all of this away and just start fresh, just to make it a little bit more homey. I mean, obviously there's some things that I do love, like that is like somewhat new. It's like a paper mache little vase. All of this you probably recognize from like my old apartments and stuff. And then of course our mirror. I love this mirror. It's been with me everywhere. It's great. This little vase is old. I don't know. One of my grandma's friend gave me that actually in like a yard sale. And then this pampas grass was $5 from IKEA, so highly recommend. Over here we have my couch. I cannot wait to get a cloud couch. Oh, this motherfucker left his shoes out. I'm gonna kill him. I hate when he does that. This is my biggest pet peeve right here. It's the shoes. They come off right there. Also, they need to be thrown away. Disgusting. My couch is the IKEA Harlan couch. I get a lot of questions about this still to this day, and a lot of people ask me, how do I keep a white couch with a dog? And the cushions come off really easily, and I clean them. I wash them like maybe every 3 weeks. The carpet is from Wayfair. I got it on sale a couple months ago. I honestly will probably get rid of this when I move. Like really was like maybe only 90 bucks, but it's really soft. So I do like this, but I think in a home, I'm not gonna do like the whole checkerboard thing. Coffee table, same thing. I had to buy all like cheap stuff. Obviously I was like unemployed as shit when I moved. Coffee table is like 30 bucks from IKEA. All of these I believe are from like Urban, like this, I think this is from Amazon. And then these are from, I love these little tissue holders. The acrylic ones are from Amazon. This is from IKEA. And then I found like identical like waffle weave. I love a waffle weave. So I got the cushions for that. This Barefoot Dreams rug, sorry, not even that. Blanket, sorry. I love my Barefoot Dreams. It's my fave. This is from Target. And then this is from Brandon's mom. She like crochets a lot, so I love her blankets. And then out here we have the balcony. I need to throw that away. I hate my balcony because of the view. I'm not gonna show it because it's a little much. But if I didn't live next to a construction site, it would be fine. But this is from Amazon. This Maverick doesn't even use. I don't even know why it's still there. And then this little rug was like in the dollar section at Target, but I hate it. So my plants are almost 4 years old now. I've had them in my mother's house and all 3 of my apartments. Hello there, sir. Can you sit down for me? Thank you very much. This little pot is from Target, I believe. Yeah. Do you think maybe you could scoot your boot a little so I could film this? Or no? No. Okay. My bar cart, another thing I wish I had is more storage because obviously I want to do like a bunch of alcohol because we entertain a lot. So a lot of my alcohol is in the freezer, but it doesn't fit on here because I have to keep glasses here. But this is from, shit, I forget. It was a Lauren Elizabeth wreck. I want to say it was in Target. This plant I trash picked, I'm not gonna lie. These are all prints I printed out from Etsy. I really do like these. This one's quite popular in my house. A lot of people tend to like this one. So I went with the black and white theme. I'm definitely gonna keep these. I do like that. And I like that Brandon is accepting of my decor. Because it's obviously all coming, for the most part. My bar stools, I really love. They are a boucle. I did get them on sale. I think they were $2.30 for both, which is really good because bar stools are freaking expensive. So I really do like my bar stools. Don't mind the air mattress. My friend stayed here the other night. Making our way over here. I do have laundry running right now. This is one thing I was blessed with, which was a huge freaking washer dryer. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this. I mean, probably not, but these things are huge. And that is one thing we are downsizing on in the house, but it's okay. This is just a shit show of everything. Like, I don't even know where to begin here. Like, we shop at Costco and then don't even have anywhere to put it. Like, on my snowboard here, suitcases, beach towels, baby gate, like it's a mess, basically. It's a mess. My bathroom, I love the aesthetic of my bathroom because I love that light up there. And I also really like the flooring. But when it comes to storage, I have just about nothing. Let me show you this. Like, this is just an eyesore. I've tried organizing it 1,000 times and it doesn't work. So the fact that I'm gonna have 3 bathrooms to put stuff in is unbelievable. And then same thing, just like everything is crammed under here. And then on top of here, I have some Le Labo. There's no Le Labo in there. My Youth to the People, some Barbie toothpaste that we don't use, and we use that one instead. These, there's usually a bunch on there, but these are in the wash right now. Some Laneige, and then decent sized mirror, can't complain. Over here are my skincare shelves. We got all the Drunk Elephant. I think I'm gonna do a little vlog of my skincare collection because it's rapidly grown, I will say. I've become such a skincare girl. So I have this. This thing saved my life. It's from Amazon. If you guys want, I will link anything down below that I can find. Just leave it in the comments. So there's just like all kinds of products down there. Have a little candle from the way, like when people come over. Some poopery. My Chanel cotton pads, some baby wipes. And then over here, I just have like this little, not ceramic, I don't even know what I would call this. I have all my robes. I do collect robes, and I do take them. This one's my newest edition. It's from last week when we were in Miami. We stayed at, this is like Brandon's favorite place, the Palms. So love that robe. It's fine, I guess. But yeah, I love robes and I always take them. In here, bathroom, just like I said, I love the light. I mean, nothing crazy in here. Like, it's just kind of gross if you ask me. And then onto my bedroom. I hate my bedroom because it's so messy all the time. It is absolutely, let me turn a light on, impossible to keep clean. Like I said, I mean, between this and my closet, like, there's no room for Brandon's stuff. So, like, he literally just keeps shit in piles. And if you know me, you know I have crippling OCD and it drives me absolutely nuts. So I'm just so excited to move, if I haven't made that clear enough. Got some robes over here, got a Skims, another hotel one. This is from the Dominican. And yeah, what's over here? Oh, bag of Kith stuff with Target jeans in it. Okay, so my bed, I actually just switched out my bedding to the all white, but there's already self tanner like all over it. So I think I'm gonna go back to the blue one I had. I don't know, we'll see. I guess I really can't. Oh, well, we're gonna put this bed in the guest room. This is like pretty much all from Amazon. Like literally just basic white duvet and sheets. Nothing crazy. My rug is from Urban. It needs to be washed. It's actually pretty disgusting. My nightstands are from Target. So I have just like the matching ones on both sides. My lamps are both from Target. Actually that one over there is too. This side eye is crazy. These I made, you could probably tell, these two. This was thrifted and then I painted it white. My bed itself is from IKEA and we're gonna get the, what's the bed? Why can't I think? The soft frame, and I'm really excited. A soft frame king size bed, my dream. We have my August 15th candle, bubble candles. It's like stuff that just needs to like go. Like it's too old. This is our closet. Yeah, it's like, it's just packed, jam-packed. And there's not as much storage as there looks like. Or maybe I just have a lot of stuff. I don't even know. Dresser is the IKEA. I think it's a lac dresser. I have my jewelry over here. These are all from Amazon. This is old. Like, you guys have seen these. You've seen all of this if you've seen my other apartment tours. Some perfumes, blankets in that basket, but you can't even see it. This is my little clothing rack. I just keep some shoes and stuff on here. And some accessories just because I literally have nowhere else to put it. So it makes for a cute decoration. My desk is the IKEA lac desk. We have a nice little setup going on here. He brought the monitor over. I was very upset about this because it ruins the aesthetic, but it's fine. We're learning to deal with things. IKEA also, all my makeup is in here and it's disgusting. So let's not even show it. Hamper is from Target. We have another one of those lamps and acrylic things. This is from Urban. and this is from Target. So I think I covered just about everything. If you guys liked this, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what kind of moving videos you want to see. I will obviously document everything. Gonna get a new camera and whatnot. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog.